bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Powder detergent won't harm your washing machine if used properly. Too much powder or incomplete dissolving can cause residue buildup, clog filters, and create bad smells. Always measure the right amount and dissolve it fully, especially in cold water. This helps your washer stay clean and your clothes fresh. Use powder detergent wisely to keep your machine running smoothly.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.